Hello students, let's start with the spelling test topic 9. Today is Friday, May 29, 2020. Listen carefully and write the word in the correct place. Start with lowercase. Number 1. Creole, Creole. Number 2. Bulldozer, bulldozer. 3. Generator, generator. 4. Injured, injured. 5. Missing, missing. 6. Shelter, 6. Shelter. 7. Collapse, 7. Collapse. 8. Aftershock, 8. Aftershock. 9. Grief, 9. Grief. 10. Comeback, 10. Comeback. I'm going to repeat the whole list. Check your answers before submit. Number 1. Creole. 2. Bulldozer. 3. Generator. 4. Injured. 5. Missing. 6. Shelter. 7. Collapse. 8. Aftershock. 9. Grief. 10. Comeback. Now you can continue working in the exam. Thank you for watching. See you soon.